And the evil man was not wrong in any way. Ghana for Nana, yeah, misinformed or say about a kingdom. And a kingdom of say. And I said, perception, I won't no. Okay. And I evil for ye. And I evil for Mukum Nipa. Hey, why not Kum Nipa Asante for?
Abusia enya pai e wo media na so Blakk Rasta agene ni so. Obekai say there was a demonstration against the Igbo king. Am I right after that no? Blakk Rasta say a demonstration against Ghana for Ememura ka say obi en kunipa ens na Asante for. In fact, Asante for e bia omu kunipa pa. Say as Blakk Rasta e kan ye no. TikTokers Asante for abe reply no. TikTok Asante brand chairman me wa ha. Na o ma be reply. O ma be reply Blakk. Oh my very Blakk Rasta. Me bo jiru. No atele wadwe ama me. E wo comment section. How Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video no da ma subscribe button. So be click notification code latest update. Abe chele wadwe de ama me. E wo comment section. Mess was obaso no share before so enya bi ahwe. It work about a month ago. Anna Hassan Ayarega. Ene some Ghana phobias o me concern o mo do man no o man secret no man asim bi wani ye edo makoma so. Omo come bomb say no omo demonstration against this Igbo man. Say Igbo man we omo Naija me maintain ase. Ko kuromu. Ye hia wo. Edi asem grade. Can you force yourself on someone? Yes, ye mpe Igbo king. Ebusia ye mpe Igbo king. Pa we no go. Edi grade. Ko masa bia ko ye bel. So, who we see dollar plant, who we do dollar crow ma we ma yes ye bel. Ye de. Yes, ye bel. Edi asem grade. Ana ye chose go group. Edi ni. Minti mo man ya se minti na se e mo ja minti mo man na se minti na se e ready e di Igbo mo yi Hassan Ayarega ade ne dom o me demonstration change pa edit ya no ade e tin ya 3 days ago ana Blakk Rasta minister in charge of xenophobia affairs Blakk Rasta aka Mr. Xenophobia Blakk Rasta eso kika o this asam ntontura bi eso asam ntontura bi fafa bayi pepe bi obola so twatwere so e ko gina montren so musu demonstration ade ya o me demonstration tia Ghana for say demonstration tia Igbo man ko no the personal person any Igbo man na brother nka say mu no na o just say han musa Igbo for Nigeria for kunipa why na kunipa se Asante for
There were Ghana village. There were Kwame Nkrumah universities in some of these countries. Kwame Nkrumah Hall, Kwame Nkrumah Street. What is the problem with an Igbo village? There is xenophobia, and known as South Africans know every say South Africa no. Yeah. Other Africans coming in, and the Igbo man was not wrong in any way. Ghana for Nana, yeah, misinformed or say about a kingdom. And a kingdom of say. And I said, perception, I won't no. Okay. And I evil for ye. And I evil for Mukum Nipa. Hey, why not Kum Nipa Asante for?
Asma kai no. I was Blakk Rasta. What do want about chopping board no so? You be do as no man said yes here. What they say. If Asma Blakk Rasta can say I obi an kunipa ens na Asante for no. Omo abere plan. TikTok Asante branch. Omo abere plan Blakk Rasta.
Blakk Rasta. Oh na ye demonstration a defend Igbo ni na wo si ye si Igbo fo kum nipa Igbo fo kidnap nipa na ye pu mo kum nipa ma na kum nipa cha Asante fo Blakk Rasta woni twa ase ni wa jimi ama wo maso wa jimi because ye fo na wo wa jimi nti ye fo na wo wa jimi wo Blakk Rasta woni twa ase ni wo Rasta mu kankan tani amboa nko an tani amidi watam wo ya aboa wo kankan Blakk Rasta wo ba binti menya ho adaje menya ho dwuma be se e kan say 1 hour abo jimi for mo fantage Blakk Rasta wonni no wo se ene kum nipa asia Asante fo kum nipa wana wo ni twa se Blakk Rasta wo na mo go dey fa from wo ya boa wo tani ya bo te se wo nko ana medu atam nko ana tani wo jimi a wo ya Rasta ni.
Welcome back. So now I want to believe say you na yeti Asma Blakk Rasta kan yem fa no kwen kan asem say Asma Blakk Rasta kan yi say Osantini bi ene bi na no kan asem wi eche ni kro muslim fo a enka say no befa. Let us be very very honest with ourselves. Say Asma Blakk Rasta kan yi say Asantini bi na kan asem wi
efa any north na na said the group northness ho a by na nka Sampana Amina Aishatu Baba Kande Akurugu Atia koma twetwe phone kam friend masema yen kanchi nipa na nka saafo be kan kire because Asantini akwa attack omo mani fia de mi hu Asantini bia watwe phone na wagina camera nim say odidi na iri boga na aba boko na aba ana yagbonru atem da mi hu bi obi ma me one example basrim nit mi twe phone no odidi otum fo atem no odidi Asantefo atem as we speak there is a movie bi omo be premiere movie ni nyina na che the background story ni nyina say ye incited the Agombes against Ashantis as Asantini hu we no be my response pe yes Asantefo a tribal bigots. So this is the flyer nipa ne share on a timeline and read or say already Ashantis have the agenda of making the Agombes their slaves in their history, meaning where they read that history from. But this is a guy me person me read akwa ase but ni di na wo no decay boy, go and read what he has written there. Interestingly enough, this same person I watch Sadi video on a timeline osusu se seven producer oyisrimni into na freedom fighter ntino ono person o kan bibi di pobi tuni nuanom da Agomba for tim no onim next to nothing about the Ashanti history with the Agombes anya hwe kwa na Asantefo yenya ebi kwa no ye hene waye bia Madagomba mind free say dagbon sensem ne sorry yen se nye otumfo a ebia by na nka krona da ne amanfo so but for otumfo's magnanimity say obeji asem na to ne na aso no waka no ebia nkene dagbon enclave nyina nke why ghost enclave ke why amanfo so ne the figurehead of Ashantis no ye na to apaso kwakwanchafo bia enka on any day omun deserve se menhia gate no kom betena asresis ka no omutimi twe phone so manim edidi otumfo ata and it is so ahu Asantini ebi ma Agomba mine kra me se nka monhwe dagbon mo ndo maye o ma shoot a whole movie e be premiere. Now let's come back to Blakk Rasta. It looks as if the owner can say me say as Ashantis bear the sense of all Ghanaians tine obi ne yire dakra ko bumfumpa na oba no ho ensane na e Asantini na aye seka akonya nkwanhia e Asantini na aye obi kodoefu na afu no bae na anso e Asantini na aye chese nsu anto aye Asantefo boni e besi wiase bia ya Asantefo yate ya jiatu. So for Blakk Rasta to go to the extreme by saying say why mun e kuni pass Asantefo no, Blakk Rasta as a journalist worth his salt should have given us the historical antecedent as to why he's saying that. Because as a journalist, you don't just come out and make some of these pronouncements or claims without giving us a proof. At least, ukoti book be created me read every man say, oh, ampa. As my Blakk Rasta kind of unimde eno kind. But so kind of what say ya na a dear picture na person who painted to amount for you. Blakk Rasta. Na me de so until this point. I have always believed this. Oh, waku school, why you the whole or can't smile we straight talker. Until this point, I mean, I will answer cry. Asantefo, why the kuni passe ye? And I Igbo ken wa mamu bribana. What is your interest? What is your interest in defending this Igbo ken? What is your interest? Asantefo, why the kuni passe ye Asantefo? Anye bia antokwa esi wo northern region ho nyina Asantefo ne course ye ne kuni pa ho. Yen ye kuni pa northern region tokwa esi wo northern region ho nyina no. Kakomba fo ntokwa ye ne be kuni pa ho. Dagbon tokwa na Asantefo ne be course ne kuni pa nyesa. Ye man panyi Joma Hama krom ball ntokwa esi wo na wo kom ho na e Asantefo meboa. Bokon tokwa na ye Asantefo meboa. E na said ye ni gini pakum ho no. Ye hene so tries obe broker peace. Ye na ye peni pakum no. E na ni pekum omo ho no ye hene agya to ne na so se obeka ama ni pakum ne tu atwa. Unim nyansa. Ye ni gini pakum ho. E na dagbon tokwa na ye ama mo ankum ho. E na otumfo kan ne twae. E na ne monya peace. To beka wi akere. So was working kind. So I want you to come out and give a yes answers to these questions that I'm about to ask you. Anyebia September 9 disaster in America no. Both north and south towers na ye di plane ko boom no. Asantefo na hijack planes no. And the Kobo World Trade Center that man nipa over 2,000 we me boy. Plane na Kote Pennsylvania no say Asantefo me boy. Germany Adolf Hitler or Asantini. Angola General Savimbi or Asantini me boy. Idi Amin Dada of Uganda or Asantini me boy. Charles Taylor and Sergeant of Liberia or Asantefo me boy. Congo Mobutu Sese Seko no Asantini me boy. Uko Rwanda Asantefo na ye Hutu fono and to say Tutsi fono me boy. Said the Prime Minister of Israel Benjamin Netanyahu or Asantini me boy. Asantefo na ko bombard Iraq me boy. asantefo na ekoku Gaddafi meboa Syria ntokwa na ya asantefo ene kokko se ya omo ku nipa mpempem meboa Gaza Strip na ya asantefo na eku nipa meboa Samson oku Philistines no oya asanteni meboa Samson o Bible no oya asanteni David oya asanteni meboa in fact Nyankopon kwa ya asanteni by virtue of Wasma Weekend because in history obi enu ha waku nipa se Nyankopon enso twede amponto tobonso aye nyina ye dan no ne mra ne ba akopae okuma ni awu nyame ono okuma oni awu Nyankopon oku wo Blakk Rasta ondi awu hwinsi ye ne mra ne ba akoye afanwie nyame sofa wo Blakk Rasta ade a onfa ahwe oni ahwe because wo Blakk Rasta wo Blakk Rasta na ene ade na nyame afa ni nyina yo no nyame ne dia eni ti Nyankopon so no ya asanteni meboa because in history Bible na me nu nyina kan ne kire say Israel for omo cross Red Sea no Nyankopon di omo ahye mfi mo twa wie but edu the Egyptians no okaponisi ye unim nipa mo wie so by virtue of this history being recorded in the Bible no does that make God an Ashanti because said the work and there's and for the e bas yenku nipa dia we are par excellence we are second to none anye bia Ashanti ni bia ba be ku obusu ani bi Blakk Rasta there are many idiots sitting behind the microphone. There are many fools. Don't be giving microphones to idiots. I've been saying this. Be a better microphone here. Why na hosa so Kenyans asamama. Asma Kenyans have been. What's the radio? So winning the role radio played in causing the Rwandan genocide. So as a journalist, don't spew out some of these things and what the potential. A bit me sebi tribal waba. But what can you see the conviction and the convenience that they can't say? What come at the sebi onusunim no obeji wedi. Dear Nabenya, what is your motivation? Ghana ha kwakwanche bia sebi mpredwasa onim ne left from the right ofu bia feel so comfortable and convenient to spew any border dish on we Ashantis, yet saying people cannot accommodate a little fraction of what they spew on us. What makes you people feel you can spew anything on us and no single Ashanti reserves the same right to return the favor? Yakoka mo se mienka da bia ye da na asma benyane se meka no kra ya nchemo da bia mo de keto beba beje kese mo ho be na ye what makes you people feel say mo de nipa ye de ye moa mo de blood runs through your capillaries and arteries na ye de diesel ene nam ye de mu ntino mo na mo te yawo mo na mo ni ma de friend pride eno ntino mo de mo ti pain say obi kan asma ya chema you can feel it na ye de ye moa ye de so me magazine for the manufacturer ntino mo kan asma ya ye nte me say somebody should come out and give me a single example, a video. I want to Asanteni bi didi ya na say na yiri ana. Mo hu bi da. No. Ube won Asanteni bi e kasa say de make say ya na a response na e rebate. Na da bia mo sha ase ne ba na be yi ano a mo say ne enye. Because you people are so steeped and so drawn with this ethnocentric tribal bigotry ntino. Mo be keka nkwase asem ye be mam reply am say hey Asantefo no kwase ma chinye bi ani hu ne say for Blakk Rasta as a journalist coming out boldly and publicly to make such a reckless pronouncement and answer claims, actually the kind of conversations they've been having in their closets. One kukomun na Bible say, Diasha kumemo bushina noka. A church as uncle for many years ago, or who's a Santino no stressa behind Sediano or I been be or Trimukobi, F or Hosa Santini. So imagine say Blakk Rasta Eshiausa Santini, no dinkomo. Sasem we won't say that Penyah Rishi movie say oh Blakk Rasta the way straight talk about Odonipa Blakk Rasta the oh no be amen go or Blakk Rasta the oh or you be a said in Penyah or segregate or near discriminatory. Someone was more worker. Tisaoya Santinia Wadam for no behind Blakk Rasta. I grow no dinner. This is the thought, this is the mindset about you. You want to blame your frustration and your misery on Ashantis. Ghana had here. Mon kwana mo yatene for tribes akanyina mo na mo yatene for mo na bakoseme da ho say oral history and answer written history che say mo yatene for che say Nyankopon na bofo ni fiwa mo na mudi ade na Asantefo dey we deputize the devil yate yajatu we are the beast yate emu bi any personal hatred or vendetta against any tribe. Me personally if you wo metiti ni wo so I have this special bond with Northness. You now for form cut across all tribal lines. Me why before now for me see my best friend or Dani. But the bia mo person we are creating impression is Asantefo this over the years. If there is any tribe people have tried to malign, disrespect, disparage, disregard, intimidate, suppress Asantefo, then Tibrofo, Ingrasifo, Kumasi Krasi, the high everything Asantefo. There are instances as Asantefo page back ye who say name can come watch or say prempe usu near to see not to baby. And then Ghana na Yamodia. na senya no kwana nipa mpese beka the formation of Ghana na kwana, but for Ashanti Kenya possible that go and check your history before the coming into being of the name Ghana. Na ye benya ye flag, ye national anthem, ye baba ye republic krano. Na Asante dynamite that 1935. Na ye we flag, ye we figurehead, ye we hierarchical system, ye we nhehye ye amamra ni amane da ho. Ti Ghana no obeto Asante, samuni ma ye ka kire mo. Samuni ma, you people should go back and read your history. Asantini kasa na se bibi ha no ka mo kasa dodo. Asantini de na Asante semne ne hene ho akwa no a mo ye tu no. Asantini espouse confidence mo ye arrogant. Are you people okay? What is really wrong with you people? You people should rather sit down and ask yourself, say, what is wrong with us, not them? Na me de me too for we Asantini amoni na ho. Because Lumba Nyuma boys and most nipa pini esre kwa. We Asantini amoni na ho. Asantini pe mwapa ni nua Asantini pe obesa na ho de akwa many nipa foforo. A time and a day is coming and it's not too far from now. These same people that we've been showing them love, but omo meet our love with hostilities no. Omo ma benyina ba beto aso. We Asantini a moni na ho, boa uni Asantini. Ma wasante se mo hia behave like an Ashanti. Na so be papa ma uni Asantini, na uni Asantini be ungrateful to you na e better than say what is papa kona be ma ya anom. Na ya anom for no e be ungrateful to you. Me de mebube. We do see a chop here from MDY Monarch Takoyong, and this was street edition of Convo on the chopping board. Alhamdulillah, God bless you.
Mini anum srem for. And then mini mu bedin ko. And near me be cause wrong. But the many to former sha. Me who say minu ya srem ni minu ya tani biya be kasa fa ho. Ba Asante for ko sorry ko kasa say Kim. Any Asante the problem of Ghana. Asante is say. See you na yet ya show. The constant attack, constant and deliberate attacker, Blakk Rasta. Awo ye muamu nuya. Attack Asante. All because of so-called acclaimed Igbo king. I don't know, ye nim ska wakwaje free you, Igbo king ho. I don't know kwenti mi kwa out kwa demonstration de ma Igbo king. Ene de that's his own choice. Any problem. But recently, my steady mind now, his deliberate and constant attack on Ashantis no. Me who say me no slim ni bi. Abeye video say Blakk Rasta Venica say. All ye ne demonstration or say Ghana for say. Igbo for ye ridifu, Igbo for kunkum nipa. Na ye pobi okum nipa. Why ne ehifo ne kum nipa sa Asante for. Blakk Rasta. Me ya me pese me dueti ana me stitch obi a video. Wo ye panyini, wanyini. Ma wani na ho. Ma wani na ho. Most starting mu ye we nyina awia no mo be play victim card moment Asante for be ka wo mo ho aha ni Asante for nye Asante for to say Asante for to say enso Asante for o meka ye nka ye mu bia de ani ahwe ne ma ekoso apu so sa even this afternoon ya I chance on a video be a yenuan nkran ni bi os akwete o se some de din bisa ese kwadwo Sheldon attack nkran for comment section ono na ma Asante for warning no comment section encrofo draw na attention say kwadwo Sheldon nya Asante ni onu bie na no say kwadwo Sheldon gina ho ma Asante or represent Asante into on the on farm. Etimi sanya akukodro say ohun say nkrani blogger bia afotun for picture didi na temda. On with the hypocrisy on some of you Ghanaians and other tribes. After election, no ena akwa no otenkran so ofiri a na ire wo ya okwa danyame ase no ohye gabadin no a friend ho de ago costa no a hide behind a political party called NDC edi wotumfo ne asantefo atem edi wotumfo ema yenuanom domafo bi ko ba ake no mama ba mu nyina ko ba ake no ema wiase kra de so okon amadomafo mo se mo wo ha mo ehun after Charles ni Richard ni amakwe ose hwan ne birthday party en mo mukro mu nkran ni bi ofre ne ho ni jani lady bi ofre ne na ayale their constant attack on Asante ene Asante musimu huye ne nkran ni bia yenni obi akra no Diago Costa oye evidence obi antimi ameka hwe Asante foko bio ma no retaliate dia mo se Asante nye okoto de ne bodwe me tisi obi cassette ye nuanum siremni ana ye mekraye ewie ya misahu video bi a ye nua kramoni bi magana for one se enyo bi okra Arab name ene ye nodna ene free north enti so bi kra Arab name no ye bone a ye target ni pakrom ma ye conclude se nipa ne ye no e free north ye nim wey ena so bi kra kan name na what did there were a year Asante chi kasa so far as so kra kan name ne de na ye target Asante no ene me ka ma ye nuanum enkramofo ni bi ye nuanum sremfo ni bi nso hu se enyo bi o katwi bia na ye Asante ni already no kra mom ye hu se Asante kra ye ni kasa enti sa Asante ni kasa de ya ene so bi ka Asante asemo a obi de Asante twi kasa obi ka ni twi no aya mu hwehwem na mu hwe ba bia nipa ni firi ansa no ma target Asante ena Asante eba dabe ena abono na ye adua na pie se mo se Asante culture na ye na ya bosonsem ye nema but me kan bibia kire mo se Joseph no na last but one no onye panyini but e ba se nyame hira no onuanom panimfo no wanhira obia di onyame hira na wahira no Joseph ni nuanom nyina bo mo ho po eton no enim se omo de na ikoni wu de Joseph ko fa mu nyina se na wo ho ma nyinkum nimdie on se wieye no ni nuanom no munim so omo ton Joseph no ko ya sabe koto including onu ane papa David na oye ofri Israel memu no na ofri entenefi ofri kra de oye musuoba eti David ona na ye akola o no otesere so ehwe nwan but e ba se nyame pe oyimpo on no nti oji titre no wa hwe panyini wa hwe atenti agramo nti Asante fo ye nti ano ye David mono no wa hwe Goliath odifo ne ba besra ngo no de wo hwe agramo animonyam but nyame se nyaw de wo hu na mimi hu Yankopon appointed David nipa na ne yemu no ono ne sana Asante te efrimretintin obi aka etwi ya na mudi Asante flate muta geti Asante fo a titu enuanom ayi akanfo no eye bone de a ene yentobo omro Asante ba ye papa de ye na ye akan abaifo nketo anyame betwa mu nyina muka mesi minuanom ayi esremfo de Blakk Rasta ye no mo hu but obi a mekasai Muma Asantefoɔ nko starting kwa on so or you so where the bia or say Asantefoɔ wan kasa Asanteni or say Asantefoɔ yekum nipa Blakk Rasta esoro ho omo hia development wunuanom bi ene ntimi ntena omo kurom na he say omo atoba ha eno na wose nka ama ne ye wodadwene ne ya wa ayem hyehye na obusa ho se de na metimi aye aboa asoman bapa ama menuanom anya asomdwe wo fie wabenya nkran ahye wagya wunuanom omo wo ahohiahia mu ho edwani esi Asantefo so ho mu wie mu keka mu kwase asem ni nyina wie na sabe Asanteni bi ono nso mu ne ho ekoka no ka frade a ene emu na musikum me do as ayi and esremfo echen other countries because they are loyal people and then they be abe frafrem enti ebi wo ba bia ye nuanum sremfo ni bi edi Asante atempa eno de ye nuanum sremfo no esi wo mu hu ba Asantefo koka wo ho de a ende de na mo hu eda ye nyina ye nim na Blakk Rasta toto pako na nkwala ni beso mu ye mu bi de ye ntimi medi atemo but ye kanya sa akiro se unuanom wo soro ho omu hia mo wakoboa wo enye ibokin
Obet pa kire wadwe amame e wo comment section Penyah Blakk Media